In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use prepaid MasterCard on PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which MasterCard prepaid card you have, either a physical one, like the plastic one that was sent to you by mail, or a virtual or digital one that you received through your email, you might be able to attach it to PayPal. The reason why I say might is that this is going to depend on the card issuer. Most prepaid cards can be attached to PayPal onto your wallet just like any other debit or credit card. However, if yours does not work, then sadly there isn't much that you can do about it. So I'm going to give you the steps that you have to take to use the prepaid MasterCard on PayPal. You just follow along and see if it works for your particular card. So visit the PayPal website or mobile app. In here, go over to your wallet. So click Wallet at the top of the screen. Once you go to your wallet page, usually at the left, you will see the option to link a card. For me, it's on the middle of the screen, so I'm just going to select this here and then link a card. So if you are given the choice between bank or card, just confirm by clicking card. Now you have to choose the card type between debit or credit. Most prepaid cards are going to be debit, so choose the option here. And now you input all of the necessary information, the full card number, the network, which should be MasterCard for this particular example, expiration date and security code, and finally finish it off with the billing address. Sadly, I don't have a prepaid MasterCard in my hands at the moment to demonstrate this whole process with, but from this point onwards, it is extremely intuitive. You input all of the details, choose the option to link the card, and it is going to appear immediately on your wallet. Like I said in the beginning of the video, if your particular card is not accepted, then there isn't much that you can do about it. Only some specific MasterCard gift cards can be linked, and all that you have to do to figure out if your specific card is accepted is to try to follow with these steps. I hope I was able to help you on how to use prepaid MasterCard on PayPal. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.